Welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you stopping by. My name is Leo Sotelo, and usually on this channel I teach a lot of web traffic. I also teach a lot of tools. I have found an AI image tool that I think you would really like, so stay till the end because I'm going to let you know how you can make money with this, but it's going to take some work on your part. So stay till the end of this video. It's very cool. AI, also known as artificial intelligence images. So here we go. And if you're new to the channel, um, please subscribe so you get notified, and tap that notification bell to get notified of other videos that are going to be coming up. And I have a whole list, everybody. Check this out. I have a whole list of videos that I'm going to be making, but I'm testing things out before I share it with all of you out there. So tap that notification bell. Here we go. Let's get started. Now I want to talk to you about Catbird AI. That's right, Catbird. And quite a few people I think are using it. I'm not sure, but let's check here. As you can see, back in February, it wasn't real popular at all. And as you can see, it's growing. Monthly users, and I want to show you how to use it. Similar to ChatGPT, in a way, this is for images, not articles. So if you want images to go with your articles, hey, you could combine them together. And I'm going to show you how I did that here on my recent online store that I built. And we'll get to that in a little while. So let me open this up for you so you get the full version. And it's pretty cool. You just put in prompts. Um, Put in prompts into here similar to a lot of other AI services, but you can get images like this monkey, this cat, and let me show you this real quick because you know what? Let me copy this because I want to use it again. I want to paste it. So right here, this I want to run it. I want to show you what it brings up, and it's going to take a little while. So hopefully you have your internet and everything rebooted or whatever. Hopefully you got fast internet. As you can see right here, it's being kind of slow. And I don't know how long this is going to take. Oh, there it is. It started loading up. So as this loads up, I do want to let you know if you are interested in this book, Powered Up with AI, the link will be in the description below this video. And also leave comments. Leave comments. I like to engage with everybody. The table of contents are right here. So if you're new online or whatever, this ebook will help you. It's free. You hop on the list, and I provide you with some cool tricks and strategies, stuff like that. So let's go back here to Catbird and look. So I wanted to tap to make an image of a fat, cuddly English bulldog playing drums. Make the background look like an alleyway, and cats are starting to get annoyed. So it didn't put the cats, but look what it did. It gave me little fat English bulldogs. And all you do from here is you download. It goes right down here to the bottom. I'm going to download all these because I'm going to use them later. But this is the cool thing. I want to dive deeper into this because, in case you've probably seen these right here, this is where you customize. You customize, and now I'm not too familiar with other AI stuff, softwares for images, but I found this one, and since it's free, I'm pretty sure all you out there like free as well. And the more prompts you do put in here, like if you fill that up with like a paragraph looking of prompts, that's where it will charge you. So it's up to you to decide if you want to pay. But free alone, you could do a lot of stuff in here. So let's go down here. This is what I like to use because I like bright images. I like them bright. So I like to use Open Journey V4. Now we're going to do that, and we're going to rerun it and to see what it brings up. I'll give you this demonstration here. Now, the good thing with these images, I want to show you in a little while where you could take these images and post them. Look, a lot better. Look how nice those are. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, right? So you could get all that for free. And if you like this video, everybody, if you're watching this video and you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It'll help the algorithms show my videos to more people. Pretty cool. I'll really appreciate it. And let's open this back up for you. So it got my couple my bulldogs. It's still making the ones in the back, but right here, whatever you feel. So you're gonna have to play around with this a little bit. Whatever you feel that how you like your images, you could have them look uh, crystal clear V2. I've used that one. That was pretty cool. I'll probably run another one with it. And look, and I want to download these too because these are mine. Now let's say I took off Ford, and let's try the crystal V2. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. And so as this is running, let me show you what I've been using a lot of AI stuff in my new website right here. It's called sugarcoatyourbeauty.com. I'll have the link in the description below. But this right here, this image right here is done with AI. This is done with AI. I sell some products on here and stuff. This is my new store. I'm still getting it amped up and make it start working for me, make money for me. So I got that one, and then let me see. That's my home page, post page, and then right here, I did this one of this is a AI that I did with the same website. Let's go back over here to see what else popped up. So this is done. This is regular. This is look more cool. You see what I mean? So you have to play with it a little bit to see what's more of to what you like. So we could do a. You could mix them all up. You could click quite a few here. Perfect world. Um, old fish. All right, let's try all that to see what pops up. You could maybe even sell some of these because they are your own prompts that it's giving you your unique images. And let me get a drink of water real quick. Ugh. Let's see what it comes up with. But you could most likely sell these like maybe on look at that. That's pretty cool. Um Etsy or something on eBay, somewhere where there's a lot of traffic and there's a lot of images like this to be sold. Uh Shutter art, I think. You could I don't know how to put your stuff in there, but when I find out I'm gonna be doing a video on it here pretty soon. So as you can see right here, that's a Kizuki. This is the Open Journey V4 Mixed Real Perfect World. Comes like a pug, but as you can see how creative it gets. I mean, I went from this down here to that using Journey 4 Open Journey V4. Sorry, and then this one right here, Crystal Clear V2, to using a mixture of everything. So all you do is download these, everybody. It's free, and I wanted to show you where you could post these at, and if you're doing affiliate marketing or you got a store or something where you could put your link at and drive some traffic there. And that website right here, I'm pretty sure if you don't know about it or maybe you got brain fog, it's gonna pop up right here. It's Flickr. Flickr's all about images, right? So as you already know, let me let me open this up a little bit. Let me open this for you. As you know, right here on Flickr, all you got to do is click there and then get automatic backup devices to your pro. Okay, you can upload 955 photos and videos. So choose the photos, get automatic photo backup. Now I don't know if it's a free version. I haven't been on here for a while, but there is a lot of traffic here. I mean, you got 53.3 million visitors that come here a month, and a lot of it is in United States, United Kingdom, Germany. So all tier one countries go here. So let's see what we could do here. Uh, let's see the breaking bread. If it's gonna allow me to. So right here in the description is where you want to put your stuff at. breaking bread for the family. If you want to know how, click here. I'm just going to put that as an example, so I don't really want to go too much into it. But I'm going to be using this a lot more. As you can see in my blog right here, my blog slash store, um, actually got quite a few. There's this one I did here of this lean belly juice review, and that's artificial intelligence. That was made with the same website I'm using now. Same thing with the one I just showed you up here. All this was made with the same website, everybody. Look how bright and nice that is. So, of course, the link will be in the description below. But I wanted to show all of you out there this wonderful website. It's free to make AI images. Artificial intelligence is, as you know, it's on the rise. And I got a list here that I got a lot more I'm going to be showing you. So, subscribe to the channel if you like this and give me a thumbs up. And I'm very glad that I was here able to make you this video because a lot of people are paying for images like this everywhere. So if you could sell them, make some money, that's great. If not, put them in your blog, put them put them in your medium.com, whatever you want to do with them, it's up to you. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you later. All right, see you later. Bye. Have a good day. Good night. Be safe out there. Thank you.